everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, everybody. So today is Monday, August 28th. I am currently getting ready. Today I have the day off of work. I took off Friday and Monday. You guys saw already in the most previous vlog that I went and saw the Jonas Brothers on Friday. Sorry if you guys can hear the cicadas outside. The windows are open. I am sitting down right now. I'm putting on some makeup. It's about 8:30 a.m. I am gonna go over to the mall today and just kind of have a me day. I'm gonna go shopping a little bit, go to Sephora, go to Zara. I'm going to take myself out to lunch, just have like a me day. So I figured that I'm gonna be out and about today. I might as well take you guys with me. I honestly didn't want to put makeup on, but I was like, you know what? Let me put on makeup. I know that I will feel 20 times better once I put on some makeup. So I need to get a new concealer. Oh, these airplanes. I think I might go get the hydrating Shape Tape one because I have this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, but like, no, I just feel like I don't really like it. I don't think it does enough coverage for me. It's a little bit too drying for under my eyes. Anyways, I'm gonna finish getting ready and I will see you guys when I'm done. Right now, I'm in the process of getting dressed and ready for the day, so I wanted to share with you guys what jewelry pieces I'm going to be wearing today. Today I'm going to be wearing my new pieces from Louisa. So thank you so much to Louisa for partnering with me on this portion of the video. I am going to show you guys all of the pieces and give you all the details about Louisa. So let's talk about all those pieces first. Getting into our Louisa package. I love Louisa. Their jewelry truly just elevates your everyday look. They offer long-lasting and tarnish-resistant jewelry. Their designs are affordable and they're all starting at just $39. They offer free and fast US shipping and returns and affordable worldwide shipping. Louisa jewelry is crafted with the planet in mind. The brand is carbon neutral and climate neutral certified. All products purchased on Louisa are backed by a 2-year warranty. Just look at how adorable these little huggy hoops are. I'm obsessed. Elevate your everyday with long-lasting jewelry you'll love at prices you'll love even more. Click the link in the description box below and use my code StephC20 to receive 20% off your next Louisa purchase. About Louisa is the fact that they have so many beautiful jewelry items that can be catered for literally anyone. You are definitely going to find something on Louisa that you love. If you're into dainty necklaces and more of that like classic everyday jewelry wear pieces, Louisa is your one-stop shop for that. I'm going to be wearing this little dainty necklace today. I love their pieces because even though they are so dainty, the pieces are so durable. You guys, look at how gorgeous this little necklace is. I love the kind of like chain link. I love that the little rhinestones on it kind of reflects in the light. So necklaces like this are some of my favorites because I just think they're so dainty. They're easy to stack other necklaces. You guys know me, I always wear jewelry at all times. So something like this I can add to my everyday necklace stack and not feel like it's too much because it's just so dainty. And again, I just love the little reflex of rhinestones. So for earrings, I always wear little hoops from Louisa, which you guys saw that I had another pair of little hoops in this because I do have earring stacks. But today I wanted to kind of elevate the hoop just a little bit bigger. So these ones are kind of like a medium-sized hoop, which I love. And what I like about these is that they are so lightweight. They're not going to be pulling or tugging on your ears, which is a must for me. I don't like when my earrings are super heavy. So as you guys can see, it just adds the perfect earring to my earring stack. I like it because it's not a really huge hoop, but it's also not a super tiny hoop. It's like the perfect size that I would need. Let's go ahead and put on this one. There you have it. It looks so nice. I love these little hoops. They're lightweight. You literally can't even feel them on. And I just think hoops add such a perfect, classic, and elegant look. And they're just, I love them. I love a good hoop. I'm a hoop girl through and through. So much to Louisa for partnering with me on this portion of the video. And if you guys want to get anything, I will have a coupon code listed here on the screen, as well as all the information to shop all of my favorites on Louisa and the items that I featured today over on the description box below. So definitely check it out. and let's go ahead and finish getting ready. Okay guys, so I just got gas in my car, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a little handheld tripod now for my camera, which I'm super excited about. I wanted to make sure that I got one before I went to Nashville because I wanted to be able to vlog my trip the best that I can. I'm really trying to get better at vlogging and actually like forcing myself to vlog in public. So anyway, so I picked up a Crumbl cookie, so let's try it. Let me show you guys it first. Okay, here is the Crumbl cookie. Ah. Okay, so this one is, let me pull it up. I have the Crumbl app. If you don't have it, you should get it because it's totally worth it. This is the chocolate peanut butter puffs with chilled chocolate cookie topped with a creamy peanut butter frosting and crunch of a chocolate peanut butter cereal puff. So I'm not a big peanut butter person, but I've heard so many people say this is good. Still need to get a tripod for my car. Okay, look how big this cookie is. Let's try it and get one of these like things. Try it. Oh my god. Wow. That is 10 out of 10. The frosting has a peanut butter taste, but it's not like over peanut butter. Like, I am not a big peanut butter fan, but that, wow, it tastes so good. One more bite of that and then I'm gonna bring it back home. But do some organizing and planning stuff out. I need to make a list of everything I need before I go to Nashville. And then I'm also trying to see if I can go see the Jonas Brothers in Milwaukee, you guys. Like, I'm trying to plan it out. So fingers crossed it all works out. It's on a Monday. Milwaukee, let's start driving. Milwaukee is literally only an hour and 20 minutes from where I am. So I really don't think that an hour and 20 minutes is that bad of a drive. So obviously I would not stay overnight in Milwaukee. The concert's on a Monday. So I'd just drive back home. Because I figured it as this. I live about 45 minutes from the city of Chicago. So it's like, if I were to go downtown for the show, sit in traffic for 20 minutes, come home, it's almost the same distance as if I were just going to hang out to the city. So I figured why not? Why not go see the Jonas Brothers one more time? So it is later in the day. Peep my little Simba. I love those little like cutie cuffs from Target. They're by Disney. They're adorable. I haven't found them since the one time that I found this one, and they have a flounder one and they have like a little baby turtle one, and I want that one. Yes, I know I'm 29 years old and I need to stop buying dumb things like that, but it's just like, how cute is that? I'm loving my new tripod that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below, but it'll also be in my Amazon storefront. So I'm obsessed with it. So right now I'm just sitting here making a grocery list for tomorrow. I want to try to meal prep, not meal prep, but like have my meals already planned out for the week, because I really gotta like get my act together with meals, because I feel like I've been eating the same thing over and over and over again, and then I get so bored of it. So planning out that. I'm also watching a Lauren Norris vlog. I have been so absolutely obsessed with Lauren Norris's content. I love her vlogs. I love her style. I just love her overall content, and she just honestly really gives me the inspiration to like keep going with vlogs. And like her motto is just be the girl that went for it, and I freaking love that. So I'm really just like feeling so, I just want to make content. Like I'm like yearning to make content. I'm also gonna hop onto Amazon and just order a couple things. I think I'm gonna place an order. I want to get that viral like wide leg jumpsuit type thing. I want that as like travel outfit because we're road tripping to Nashville. And then I want to get a like jewelry holder for travel because I don't have one. And then I want to look at a couple other things on Amazon that I just feel like I need. I have a Shein order coming because I ordered some Nashville type accessories, so hopefully the package gets here before this vlog's over with. But that's what I'm doing. Just a chill Saturday night. It's Labor Day weekend, so it's just so nice to have that extra day. Tomorrow I plan on grocery shopping, going to the gym, And then I plan on sitting out in the sun for a little bit just to catch those final days of the summer sunshine. So that's the plan. But yeah, so let's go shopping on Amazon. Alrighty guys, it's Sunday. Mom and I are at Target. I had to get a couple things. My mom had to get a couple things. So we decided to just come to the bigger Target because I like this Target a lot better. It's a super Target. They have better selection. I also have been seeing a lot of people getting some really cute clothing items for fall. And why did I sound like I had an accent?
I don't know. Sometimes you act like you're from London too.
I am from London at heart. I think maybe in a past life I was a Brit. Anyway, so we're going into Target now. Let's see what kind of fall clothing they have. I saw some really cute stuff, and who knows, maybe they'll have some cute t-shirts for Nashville. Mom's ready to get her country on in Nashville. Mom, don't be rude.
Beginning.
I already vlogged before. This is just clips adding. Okay, the music's loud in Target, so we're gonna shop, but we're gonna have to put music over it because I don't want to get copyright. Let's go shop. It's not Sunday, and I'm pretty sure I said it's Sunday. It's not Sunday, it's Monday. It's Labor Day. I haven't vlogged much. I don't even know what this vlog is going to be because it's literally been all over the place. I just got back from the mall a little while ago with my brother. We went to the mall to go get him a suit because he needed a suit for a wedding that's coming up this month. He is also going to Nashville as well. One of his friends is getting married. I'm not going to the wedding, but we are just going to Nashville anyways because we're road tripping it. But so he had to get a suit, so I was gonna vlog, but it was so chaotic at the mall. I was like, that's gonna be a no-go. Also switched out my hoops, so I'm wearing these little Ana Luisa hoops that I just showed you guys at the beginning of this video. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for partnering that portion of the video. Like I said, all that information as well as my coupon code will be listed down below for you guys to shop and pick up some really cute pieces. This necklace as well, I got it like a few months ago from Ana Luisa. I love it. It's a good dainty piece as well. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a heart emoji down below in the comments if you made it to the end of the video, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye guys.